Say hey, Joshy.
Howdy.
To the YouTubes.
No, I don't do that.
Yeah. Any last words?
No.
Thought so. See you down there, buddy.
Deuces.
On rope 3.
Nice job.
Oh yeah.
How many bars do you use out of curiosity?
4.
Okay. Just because I use the bobbin, so it's not comparable, but it was very stiff for me, so I was trying to figure out.
Yeah, these muddy ropes aren't really good for a bobbin.
Wow, look at that. That is very cool.
Yeah. Off rope.
On rope.
What are you doing to me? Go ahead and pass me yours. Got it.
Y'all want a picture like that?
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Toss it.
Off rope 1.
Her. I actually enjoyed the squeeze.
I literally couldn't do it. It wasn't physically possible.
I had to compress everything.
Were you gonna go next? Or
You can go.
Okay.
Big arrow scratched into it and everything. I was gonna say just a vertical crack. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
On rope 3. They're staying up top. They're staying up top. Off rope! No fall zone.
Yeah, it's just like gets too tight. And then there's like a giant rock and you can't go any farther.
Yay, I love spins. Your rope's nasty.
Right around that corner, see that cricket?
Ah!
It's just covered in the hole. You just see the
I love the spins. Hey Josh, look at this. Let's trend them.
Joey, look! Cave grave.
Cave rave. I love the pain. Pain is the truth. You're almost out.
I am almost out.
Are you past? Are you still on rope 2?
Yes, I'm still on rope 2. I'm almost at the top.
Okay. Is it good?
Huh?
Ah. I am skipping ahead and going to bounce this pit before everyone else gets here. It's a 3-hour drive to tag, so I like to get in as much rappelling and climbing as I can when I do come. This is a cool place. I haven't been here in a few years. This was our second ever vertical cave. First time meeting our friends Seth and Josh, Zach. There's daylight up there. I'm just gonna go to that window and come back down. Go on, get out of my hole. You some kind of cave whore? Heard. tight and it's slippy. Daylight, sunshine. Sunshine. It's very hot up here. Off rope! Fuck, it just hit another level hot right there. Are you jailhousing ramen right now? Hell yeah, brother. Me and Tristan just made it out of this cave, waiting for Josh and 5 other people to climb out, and we're gonna get out of here. Stay feral.